Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for an unboxing of the Schumacher battery charger. This is a trickle charger, not like a jump starter. I posted a review of a Duracell jump charger if you wanted to take a quick look at that, but this is for a completely different use and purpose. This type of battery charger is meant to, leave in your car or marine battery area for, trickle charging and maintaining it. It's not something that actually, I don't know, but I don't think it's meant to be used to jump it outright. But this is something that, because of COVID or if you're working on a car, just having used it in a quick while, it's definitely going to be something that you want to maintain the battery before it fully runs out and you're stuck having to either jump it or get a new battery entirely. This one is available in O'Reilly's Auto Parts. I like reviewing some parts or some pieces of equipment, especially that you can get right out the door. You don't have to wait for it to be delivered. I know that there's been a lot of delays due to quarantine and all of that for delivery stuff, so just being able to go into a store and pick up what you need is a convenience that I feel like a lot of people haven't really been needing, but haven't really been able to enjoy in a while either. So definitely check it out. The box itself is pretty informative. It's a 15 amp rapid charge, 3 amp maintain. Again, it's for automotive and marine batteries, and you can use for your jet skis, small boats, etc. The front and the back has a little bit more details. You can go into how it's performance, its intelligence, etc. All the different warnings and how not to do it. It comes with this 2-year warranty. And yeah, let's break into this and see what we got. It's kind of cool already. It comes with a nifty little handle. Inside the rest of the box, you have the owner's manual, which honestly could take a survey on how many people actually read that. But yeah, so the case itself is made out of composite material, plastic, meant I'm sure to withstand the elements or the use of it, especially in marine needs specifically. But this is the product and unit itself. You can see the front has digital gauge, different percentage, voltage, battery type, charging rate, whether or not it's reversed. It has something that'll let you know if you've got the clamps wrong, charging, maintained, etc. So it's really cool. The back, just has a bunch of all the different warnings, risk of explosive gas mixture, so don't mess with that. On the top, let's see. On the top over here, it has a quick start, which is probably why no one ever reads the owner's manual, but at least it gives you a quick understanding on what to do when you want to get started on maintaining your battery. In the unit itself, there's an extendable handle, great for portability. You have your clamps. The gauge itself are the quality of the wires seems really nice. It seems like a pretty long one. And then further inside is the wire to the wall outlet where you maintain the battery itself, keep it charged, and then you can use that to maintain your batteries. But everything should be pretty simple when I first use it. I'm going to be using it for my Toyota pickup project. It's kind of just been sitting there. I don't know if it's got a parasitic drain or if it's just something that I've left alone for a little while. So we're going to have to see, and we'll definitely have a video about how it's been when I've used it, and if it's something that I would definitely suggest to you guys. But just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing view of it and let you guys know what I thought, initial thoughts at least. Thank you very much and have a good one.